Hey, how's it going, 898? Oh, hey, how's it going, Adam? I'll just start the stream now. Yeah, I'm pretty exhausted, actually. Um, but we're gonna try to do some stuff today. Sparky, the artist that is helping me with, like, the sprites and stuff, has made some new, animations and, a new portal sprite, so we're gonna try to add that to the game today. Yeah, and we have new springs too. I'm actually want to see what that looks like right now, and then we'll work on the teleporters. What is it called? So yeah, this is what it currently looks like. Yeah, it's this one right here. So we're just gonna delete all of this. Hey, how's it going, Shrimritos? So I wonder why there's a black. We're gonna edit this image really quick. 'Cause it should be transparent in the background. That's understandable. Yeah, Twitch for some reason, like, if I watch it on my phone, it lags if I try to watch it, at, like, I guess it's 1080, but it feels like it's 1080 on you. Maybe it's 720 on YouTube. But yeah, I've always had internet issues with Twitch. Let me share my screen so you guys can see. Hey, how's it going, Missy? So yeah, we're just gonna. I hope he didn't. I don't think he used any black in the texture itself, so we should be good. We might want to put, like, a small border on it, maybe, using, well, let's actually look at what our other spring is made from. Animated spring. That's good to hear. You guys celebrate, I asked this question to Commodore the other day, but I know something that's pretty popular in Germany is Oktoberfest. He says it's usually for like the younger crowd or like people that really like to drink beer and stuff. But I'm wondering how common it is for the German people. So yeah, we actually don't have any border texture. So yeah, we'll save it like this and see how that looks. So okay, this actually might be too large, but maybe we'll use this second sprite as like the holder, and then we'll animate it. We'll try to animate it differently. Yeah, because this does look pretty big. And I think this was my the spring itself doesn't look too complicated. Maybe I can animate that myself. Oh yeah, this is this is definitely way too big. But also, yeah, this is much bigger than 16 by 16. Unless maybe I saved it incorrectly. Let's see. Oh wait, what the hell? It says it's 16 by 16. You know what? Oh, you know what it is? It's because this thing is this image here is scaled to 1.2. So if we save it like that, there we go. I see. Alright. So, yeah, we definitely do need to make this smaller. I'm gonna see... Maybe we can... mess with these animations here a bit. Hey, how's it going, Bloody Victor? We're just working on some new animations. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. Maybe we could change this to 10 FPS. Let's see. Yeah, we'll have to fix it. We'll have to fix this in general. Here, wait. Let me restart. Let me see if we can edit the image ourselves. There's two different dialects in the German language, I see. So yeah, I think the original animation looks good. We just need, I think we want to drop it down a bit because, this is our hitbox right here, and I think we will increase the hitbox size. Is it possible? What the hell? What's going on here? We want to make the x-axis 12. Actually, is this scaled up as well? Why is it? It feels like it's huge. Should be 16 tiles across. So it makes me wonder what's going on here. we increase the scale here? No. Did we increase the scale here? No. Oh, maybe it should just be 8 and yeah, okay. It's 8. The extents are 8, so from the origin it's 16. Or from the origin it's 8, but the total width is 16. Like I said, I'm a little tired today, so I'm gonna be probably a bit slow during this stream. Oh, you saved $200 on your new phone. Nice. What'd you get? Or did you already say? I missed some of the chat. Oh, your waffles? Okay. Didn't realize. Oh, you saved $200 for a new phone. I thought you said you saved $200 on a phone. Who knows these days? These phones are super expensive. I highly recommend if you want like a nice Android phone that's relatively cheap. The OnePlus series is really good. I see, Missy. So do you celebrate it? Yeah, I have a OnePlus. I have the OnePlus 6T, which is relatively old, but honestly, I guess I also barely use my phone, so I don't like the most I ever do with it is like streaming. iPhones. So I'll say this about iPhones. I do think their software is really good. Like in terms of like my main concern with phones is longevity. Longevity. And iPhones last pretty long. And their software. I mean, they guarantee their software to work for 5 years before they stop. Like that's the only issue with iPhones is that after 5 years of it being released, they don't have to support the phone. In terms of like hardware, usually you're getting more for what you pay for with Android or like with other phones. But there might be some issues with the Android operating system. But at the same time, you can always download a new one. So like if you get a Samsung, and like what am I trying to say here? Yeah, if like for some reason they don't support it on the new after 5 years, you can always download like a simpler version, like a simpler OS, or like a more public serving OS. Like I'm using like Oxygen. You might have a better time with Android. iPhones lose their battery health. So honestly, I think all phones lose their battery health. I mean, every phone uses lithium-ion batteries. So depending on how often you're using your phone, how often you let it die, your battery's gonna die no matter what. I just always bring like a portable charger with me everywhere I go. All right. Let's try moving. We want to move this down a bit, so -2. Oh no, 2, 3. So yeah, I think this is going to be our default here. So yeah, we'll fix the animation a bit. So I think someone asked if I make my own animations or my own art. For the most part, I do not. I kind of like this art was commissioned. I'll do like simple changes, like so like the sprites in the center seem to be relatively simple, so I could probably like fix it up. But that also includes animating, and I don't know if I'm gonna be that good at animating. I want to suggest something about your animation. On the bottom spring, on the left side, change the shading a bit, make it lighter, so it isn't that harsh. So are you saying like right here make it lighter. Not at the base. Oh, on the bottom of the spring, like right here. Oh, on the second. So the same color as like. Here, I'll just try messing with it. Either like that, or maybe like that. Be like, What do I use for pixel art? So I use GIMP, which is probably not the best software you could use for pixel art. It's most definitely not the best software you can use for pixel art, but it gets the job done. I don't do much pixel art. I mostly just program. This art was commissioned, so I kind of just I'll do some like minor edits. Like right now, I feel like I should fix something here. Like I want to make this 16 by 16 at most. So let's see. Right now it's 16 by 24. So let's grab. Yeah, we'll grab this and bring it down here. And what is it now? Currently it's 16 by 11. Let's see if this looks good. If we can keep it like this, and maybe make all of these shorter, it'd be pretty good. Pixel. I think I've heard of Pixel. Yeah. I don't really mess with, like it. I use GIMP for like everything. So like if I'm working on like I made this with GIMP, or like I just edited the image a bit, or like something like this. But I didn't make this art. I paid someone to make that art. Yeah, I saw Chev was live. I was on his stream a little while ago. All right, let me see. So make those lighter. Like that. Chef streams a decent amount. He's been on YouTube for way longer than me. Yeah, I do think right now I stream a lot more than him, but I think it's because like he works and stuff. Like he has like a 9 to 5 or something like that. All right. We'll try fixing the rest of the animation. Let me just export this right now and see if this is a good starting animation. And I think we'll probably want to fix the last animation as well, or maybe just make the frame rate longer, or like increase the number of frames that we have. Can't go wrong with more frames. So yeah, now we're in the 8x8, which is not too bad. Let me see. And it is nice that our hitbox is slightly larger than the image. Oh wait, this is 0. So I'll take back what I just said. But this is also not too bad. Let me see. This is first frame, second. Yeah, I think this is way too big. But also, it might not matter too much. We just have to make sure that we fix the final frame. So, what's the difference between frame 4, 5? Yeah, let's try adding a 6. I gotta make sure I'm not like sharing my emails and stuff. I mean, I don't think it's too important, but it's not a good practice. NPC, the chat is small, hard to read on phone. Okay, you mean the one on my screen? There we go. I hope it's not too too large now. Let me know if that's good. Yeah, I mean, as long as I'm not exposing, like, I feel like people can easily figure out what my name is. I guess it's more important that people don't know my address. But yeah, my name, if someone looks deep enough, they'll find my name. And I mean, it's on my game as well, like my name, and I do plan on leaving my my name on my game, so yeah. Yeah, I also have like 20 different emails. Someone spammed my email, I probably wouldn't even notice. You'd say I look like an Alex? I do have a family member named Alex. But no, that's not my name. That is not my name. Let's see, 96 by, I think, what's the size of these? 16 by 16? What's 96 plus 16? 112. So yeah, this is what our new one is going to be. Let's make a new thingy here. I see. Yeah, I think it's just hard to. I don't want to make it too large because then it's like overwhelming on the stream. I wish there was like a way to make like a mobile stream and a desktop stream. Or maybe I could make it bigger, but then have it so that messages erase as people are typing stuff. Instead of having like a log. How much am I going to make Afterlife on Steam? So I plan on making it $10 on Steam, and it would be cool to make it make a mobile version, but I would do that much later. I want to focus on Steam first, or like on desktop first. But I've said this before in the past. If like someone's not able to afford it, just let me know and I'll send you a free copy. Let me see if I can figure out how to edit the sound settings here. I mean, not the sound settings. This compact mode. Well, actually, let me see. Maybe this could fix it. Is there a way to save these settings? Oh wait, no, this is only. Give me 1 second. I got you, Missy. So we'll make this. We'll scale it up by 150. Is that it? I think I have to copy this. Did it change at all? Alright, there we go. When am I thinking to release it? So I plan, the plan is to release the Kickstarter in December, maybe mid-December, with like the full demo and everything like that. And then 6 months after that, I plan on releasing the full game. It really depends on the funding that like the game gets, but yeah, that's my initial plan. I feel like as long as the funding is decent, I think no matter what, I'll make it work with whatever we get. And yeah, go into overdrive. That's the plan. But yeah, nothing ever goes according to plan with game dev, so we'll see. Hey, how's it going, Emily? Insco. So yeah, this should be the new. We'll probably edit some of the middle frames here, but let's just export this as our new spring animation. It's weird. Sometimes we have to restart Godot when we edit an image. So right now we're setting our x-axis to 16 pixels, but it's like stretched over here. So I'm gonna just restart Godot. Oh yeah, you can reload the... Oh hey, how's it going, Crazy? Welcome. I remember you, man. Project... Oh, reload current project, I see. So are you a Godot dev as well? Seems like you're pretty familiar with it. The genius is back. Oh, since 2.0. I think I started. I don't know. I know I started. I know I started definitely before 3.0, but I don't know when. I think it was like 2.2, but I didn't use it nearly as often as I do now. You're a professional Godot waiter. Waiting. What is it? Is it waiting for Godot? Yeah, that's the play. Oh, thanks for the follow, Lucian. All right, let's go back into our spring here. Yeah, it looks a little better. I think we'll have the artist maybe fix it a bit, but I don't think it looks too bad right now. And 10 FPS might be good enough. We'll see. Is the fudging fully fudged now? I think there are some things that we could fix, but yeah, I think after you were on the stream and you helped like fix the horizontal fudges, I kind of just left it at that. We might fix some other things, but right now I want to focus on like finishing the level design, polishing some of the mechanics, polishing some of the like the art, stuff like that. Oh, thanks, Lemmy. Big respect from Russia. I'm actually part Russian. Oh wait, what? Why is this? Why is there spring so large? So I don't know if it's too. Maybe it's just because I'm not used to it. I've been used to the 8x8 spring all throughout development, so this looks a little strange to me. But maybe if I just stare at it for long enough, I'll acclimate. Doesn't look too bad. But I also think maybe, is the frame rate too fast? I mean, too slow? Let me try. We're gonna increase this to 15. I think maybe we need more frames in it. I think the transition from frame 5 to 6, like you'll see here, this is only a 1 pixel difference, and then from here to here, it's like, I don't know, like a 3 or 4 pixel difference. So maybe I'll just reduce that, or like even from here, like we go from, like I think this is like a 2 pixel difference to like, and this looks like a 16 pixel difference. Then yeah, it's just all over the place. So we'll have to fix that. But for now, I also want to try, we also have these new portal animations, so let's try working on that. I think that'll be more exciting. Let's go into demo. All right, so currently it's just the sprite. I think we'll use an. You can use an animated sprite. Yeah, let's do that. I'm not sure if I don't think we saved it just yet. Let me see. Give me 1 second. Those aren't particles? Oh, yeah, they are particles. But we actually might get rid of the particles. Because now the portal it's less of a portal and more of, it looks more like a pond now. Like you're teleporting through a pond. You'll see in just a second. We'll have to fix this image actually. So yeah, this is what it currently looks like. Let me just get rid of the black background. All right, so we'll call this the import, and we'll have another one, export, and then I guess an idle. Just see one more thing. Do we have the idle animation here? So yeah, this is the idle animation, and I guess, I'll have to ask the artist what he did here, but I'm assuming this is the import, and this is the export, starting here. All right. Usually, I like to have these split up in sprite sheets. So like the first row would be the and it's also weird that it's like cut off here. So yeah, let's actually fix this spreadsheet before we do anything else. What's going on here? I'll see you, Crazy Stewie. So let's see the size of this. (26 by 18). One, two, three, four, five. I think they're usually 12 frames. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right. So we'll do 18 times 12 by times 3. 18 times 12, and then I think the height was 20. It's 26. So we'll do 26. Oh no, we need times 3. And we could probably bring all of these images closer. Oh, this is going to be kind of annoying to do. Where did we end off at? Was it this one, I think? No. It was this one, right? So we need... Okay, so what is the max? Why is this, thought we did the math correctly. Are these different sizes? What's going on here? Oh wait, so these are actually 24, and I think we did 18 in our scaled map. So this should actually be... Oops. Times 24. There we go. Okay, why is there's still 2 pixels left over? Let's try showing this grid again. So it's not... What the hell? Let me see something. Okay, so on the y-axis, I mean on the x-axis, it's actually 26 pixels across. It might be a problem. 26 divided by 8 is 3 point... Okay, it's a little extra. Let's see if we can make it work. Did we say 24? I think it was times 18 divided by 24 should be 12 times 26. That's the size we want. Okay. So we have these two dots, and then... Oh, okay. So actually, this is it. This is the entire import animation, and now we could start off with the export animation. Let me see, calculator, 78 divided by 3, 26, so we start at 26. Oh no. Do we do 26 by 26? Yeah, we did. Okay. So we could actually bring this down a bit. It actually looks like we're doing 26 by 18. We'll fix that after we're done with everything. Or maybe we can leave this open for, like, you know, potentially maybe adding extra pixels and stuff. I'll leave it the way it is. All right, let's close some of these extra images that we're not using. All right, that is here, and then this is, I think, up to here. Oh no, this is the whole thing. I guess we should end it off with the start of this animation. That way everything is consistently 12 frames. And actually, yeah, we want it to end like this. And then finally, we have this idle animation. All right, and let's just erase 24 pixels. I mean, yeah, 24 pixels from the side here. So, I think we can just copy this and create from clipboard, and there we go. And we'll call this teleport on sprite sheet. And there we go. And now we'll erase this for now, and we'll start out with our import animation. And that's going to be, let's see, 18, or no, whoops, 12 by So yeah, it's so weird whenever we import a new texture. So I'm going to try reloading the project. Oh, I'm just dumb. It's supposed to be 13. And vertical it's 3. Wait. It's 11. My bad. 11 here. Yeah, I think it looks good. And we're only going to use these right here. We could try keeping the particles. It might not look too nice, but we'll see. Let's go into the idle animation. We'll do the same thing, but it's these. And the export animation is... All right. All right, so this is... Oh yeah, we're currently playing... This is the export. And I think we're going to increase these frames. Wait, let's see. Import is 12. Let's try making this 24 and see what it looks like. I'll try keeping it at 12 for now. So yeah, at the moment we have our player states running like when to run the sounds, but we do have the export. I guess play export sound and play import sound. Maybe we can mess around with those a bit. We'll try doing it here for now. Let's get our animated sprite. Hey, thanks for the follow, P-Fish. Yeah, we're gonna try playing these animations here. So by default, I guess on the ready function we'll set animated sprite to play the idle animation. And this will loop. And I think we won't have export and import to loop. So we'll restart those, or like leave it like that. And then so for the export sound, we're actually going to make it's going to be a little strange since all of our code is in the import node. We're going to send a signal to our export node to play the export animation, and yeah, so yeah, you can even see here we're saying export sound. Oh wait, no, this is from our import node, but yeah, we're going to say export teleporter node dot animated sprite node dot play export. And over here the timing with these nodes might be a little weird, or with the teleporter, but we'll see. And after these animations are done, we want to make sure that we're transitioning back into the idle state. So we'll make a signal from our animation, and we'll just say, wait, is there a way to grab a specific animation? Let's disconnect this. Usually there's some sort of input here. Maybe I'm wrong. But I guess we can figure it out. Let me see. Animated sprite dot get. Let's see. Okay. I think that's all we need to do. Let's just try it out. And one other thing we want to do here is also just make the material of this object our unshaded canvas. There we go. The idle, it does look a little strange right now. And also, when we go through, it doesn't play the import animation just yet. Let me see what's going on here. Animated sprite node dot play. Oh, this is on our timeout. Well, play. Let's get rid of this and let's put this. Hey, how's it going, Moonstriker and Dudge? Welcome, fellas. It's I'm a little exhausted today, so I might not be as entertaining, but we are making some progress on our game. I'm just trying to think. Do we have this? Oh yeah, we could run it here. I'm pretty sure, because yeah, this should work. I wonder why we have this play export sound, and we also have on teleport delay playing the export sound. We might not use this actually, or maybe our player runs this function. We'll see. I already forgot. Yeah, so the animation is a little too slow. But it does look cool. I really like it. Obviously there needs to be some adjustments made, but I see the potential, you know? Alright, so I think we'll try to double the frame rate. Let's see how that looks. And this is only going to be for the import and export. I think what we're going to try to do with the idle is actually half it. See what that looks like. Or maybe we just need more frames. We'll see. It looks too fast now. So let's try 18. And as for the idle animation, I think we're going to get rid of this first frame. We'll leave it like that. Making a website is much easier than you thought. What are you using to make your website? Okay, yeah. One thing to note is that our player is not usually going to be visible while they're coming through. They should be invisible. So actually, let me see. Let's go into our player really quick. And before they teleport through, we should make them. Let me see. I think this is when we enter the neutral state. I also think maybe we could set it here. Before we. You know what? Let me see. Visible. It's false. On teleport 2. Let's try it here. Oh, a GitHub page. Oh, cool, cool. So maybe we just need more. I'm not sure. I think maybe we need just more frames in the animation. Let me get rid of the particles too, because I think it's too distracting, at least right now. Yeah. The teleportation mechanic itself already works. It's just a matter of animating them to look nice. Yeah, it's like. Yeah, now it looks like it's too fast. Damn. Alright, let me look at 12 again. Maybe we'll keep lowering it by 2. Let's try 14. And we also need some sort of indication to show where the player is coming out from, because right now it's like it's really hard to tell. And another thing I want to try doing is for our idle animation, I want to see what it would look like if we just got rid of all of this and just left it as one frame. So maybe just that. Yeah, I think the export animation, like when we come out, it looks good, but I think when we go in, it's a little strange to me. But it's not bad. So it's going to be hard. We need to show some sort of export animation. Not an export animation, like an indicator, like a visual cue to show that they're going to come out from a specific portal. I think we could just like light it up, or maybe have our particles kind of like shoot out for a split second. Oh, thanks, Jack. Thank you, man. Oh, for a split second, we're also visible. Like, you can see the player teleporting through. So we're gonna have to before we actually send our player to the teleport state. Basically, before we manipulate their global position, we should make them invisible. I'm not sure if we do this in the player code, if we do this in the teleport code, or in the portal code. So let's see. Let's just see if we manipulate global position here. Yeah, so it's over here. So we'll just say visible equals false, and that's good. Can I ask when you become famous to remember me? Yes, I will always remember you, Waffle. I plan on adding, like, I haven't done it yet. There are only like a few people that have that are on like the credits and stuff. But you know, eventually I want to add like everyone who's watched my stream and stuff. You will be in the credits for sure. This stream would be nothing without, you know, the people watching. I'm not trying to be corny, but it's true. You guys make it fun. You will donate me $10,000. Oh my goodness. I hope you wouldn't do that. That's a lot of money. Wait, so yeah, we do have this state, or basically if the player doesn't dash through, they'll die. I think our hitboxes are a little messed up compared to the current size. So we'll have to fix that. And we also want to make an animation for if we for when we do kill the player. We'll do that next, I guess. Well, after we make the transition animation. Let's see. Yeah, I'll do it I'll even do it right now. Let's make the credit scene. Well, I already have the credit scene, but let's see what it looks like. Credits. Right now it's very sloppy, like I just put it in the code here. So we got music, we got... Let me see, I know I have a section for viewers. Let me see. Maybe... This is our... I guess I thought I did. I thought I had a section for people... Oh, people who watch my stream. So we have this this little section here, but I guess I never put names in. So let's do that now. Let's do it. Let me know if you want your name. Just put me. Just type your name, me. Or just, yeah, write me. Alright, so we got Jack. Do you want your name the way it is on YouTube? If you want it otherwise, just say me and then followed by, you know, in quotes, whatever name you want. Otherwise, I'll just put what I see on the chat. All right, your full name. That's your full name, I assume. Okay. Yeah, I put A98K. Do you want the names capitalized? I just followed what's on YouTube. Waffles. Did I miss anyone? Oh, Moonstriker. Yeah. Hey, how's it going, British Geek Guy? We're just adding, a special thanks to my viewers in the credits. If you'd like for me to add your name, just let me know. Here, I'll show what it looks like now. Main menu. Oh, let me see. Remember, this was an issue that we had to fix. Right now, it's ran in what? Oh my god, our game's. Let me just run this for a split second. I think we ran that in our level manager. Let me see. Yeah, player node.connect grab UI to canvas node. Where should we put this? Maybe we'll run this in like a start world function or something like that. Let's just do this, manage world. Just temporarily, so we can get this stuff going. And this is going to be, we'll run this in our main scene. I'll just run it here. And we could actually put all of this stuff in run world, just so our code is more organized. Oh, it's manage world. All right, hopefully nothing crashes here. Non-existent function. What's going on here? Oh. Dot player node. All right, there we go. So now, I believe it should work. So yeah, the special thanks to all of these viewers. Crazy, you're a little late to the party, but if you'd like for me to add you to the credits, you've been pretty helpful. So I'd be more than happy to add you. And yeah, British Geek Guy. Yeah, I'll add you. You want me to use that name that's on your Twitch? Yeah, of course. I think Capua changed their name to Zamfi. I'll also put Zamfi here. Oh, yeah. Jack asked what font I'm using. Did I add the MIT license stuff? I don't know. I don't think I added. I mean, I just wrote. I included the Godot engine. Honestly, I'm not too sure what I have to add for like licenses and stuff. I'll probably figure out what exactly needs to be done here. I remember seeing someone else's game made with Godot, and they include this was all they did. So I assumed. That's the only thing that's required. But it still needs to comply with the MIT license, I see. All right. Oh, so yeah, this is what I did here. Is there any way to support the stream by donating? Currently, no, and I'm not sure if I will ask for donations. At least not right now. If you would like to support the stream or like support the game, I do plan on releasing a Kickstarter campaign pretty soon, like in December. So yeah, if you want to do it during that time, that would be great. That would be greatly appreciated, but it's also, not required. But yeah, in terms of like giving me a direct donation, I honestly, I would prefer if you didn't. At least, yeah, like not right now. I'd like to have something to show for the game, and with the Kickstarter campaign, obviously, one, it's not required or anything like that, but what I'm doing for the Kickstarter is if you donate $10 or more, you get a free copy of the game, or you get a paid copy of the game, because it's not, you basically bought the game during the Kickstarter. And yeah, there's gonna be like more tiers and stuff planned, but I haven't like fleshed it out yet. So, I guess the only third part, like, most of the art that I have is either public domain stuff or paid assets. Good website is chooselicense.com. Give a simple rundown on popular licenses. Oh, really? I didn't know that there was extra stuff, third-party licenses that Godot itself used. Yeah, like I said, Waffle, there's no requirement for, or no expectation for donations, and for the game itself, like if you can't afford it or anything like that, I'll definitely send you guys a free copy. But it's probably going to be free for a while, like, since I feel like I'm prioritizing like playtests over anything else. So yeah, the game is basically, until like it's released on Steam, all of these versions are probably going to be free. Free type, eNet, I see. Right, I see, okay. Yeah, you couldn't get past the first level. That's understandable. The game is a lot easier now, or I think it's a lot easier now. I'm hoping to release this updated version by Friday. What's today? Sunday? Yeah, so by Friday we should have something. So yeah, I want to try adding a visual cue for our teleporter. And I think maybe we could try using the particles that are here. Try rotating this, maybe. I think we'd want it to look like a explosion of some kind, maybe. Where is transform? Maybe something like that. how I raised my goal in Kickstarter game dev story. Yeah, I'd love to make like postmortems and stuff like that, and like tutorials on game dev, and like to the best of my knowledge. But it's so much work. Like, well, the reason why like I don't mind helping people with their programming on stream because it's like in the moment. But if you want to make YouTube videos related to like game dev, like programming tutorials and all of that, it's so much work. Like to edit the video and add sounds and cut. Yeah, all there's just so much that goes into it. Whereas with the live stream, all I have to do is set up the live stream. Um, but yeah, maybe like also making highlights would be pretty cool if like we were actually trying to make a tutorial. Like I think what I would do is if I'm done with this game and I'm working on a game jam, I would convert like working on that game jam into a tutorial, and it would be a live stream with me trying to clip together all of the highlights, basically. Yeah. Can I send you an image for the memory banner? Yeah. I'll just send you the entire image. You might. I'll do this after stream because I have to look for it. I know I have like a. Wait. Stop sharing my display here. Yo, how's it going, Agbu? Oh, nice. I'm sorry if I missed some people's message, but I saw British Geek Guy. You're getting another laptop. Here, let me see if I can find this image really quick. It should be on my desktop. Where is memory? Alright, yeah, here it is. Dev Waffle, I'll send you a DM. I'll just put it in. Yeah, put it. Yeah, I'll send you a DM. Oh no, it's too large. Damn. It's a huge image. So I could send you a smaller version. Oh, was it that DMs were off, or was it that the image was too large? Let me try that again. Oh, it just says upload failed. Interesting. Let me see if I can upload it onto the server. Oh, there we go. It's in general. Alrighty. Let's try to get this teleport animation working. I wonder how cool this looks like in general. Like if we just left the idle animation with the particles there. It does look cool. I'm waiting for my controller to connect. It looks cool. I feel like maybe there's too much going on. All right, so I think we have a mission running when we play the export sound. We could probably rename this to something else, but for now, oh, and this is on our export teleport node. What is my Reddit? My Reddit is the same as my, as like all my other things. So it's u/practical NPC. So we set it to emitting here, and let's see, before we play the export animation, wait. No, we actually want to set this when we play the import animation. So we'll try it right here. And then by the time we enter this, we should set this to false. Yeah, let's try that. Oh, I like it. I like it. And there's our little visual cue. You see the little particles coming out, and then boom. I think we have to fix this room a bit. I love it. The springs still look a little weird to me. I'm gonna try to reduce it to. I think right now it's 16 pixels. I'm gonna try making it 14, or maybe even 12. We'll see. But I mean, it is nice. Let me see. Compared to these, let's see what these rooms look like. It's not bad. Yeah, it gets longer. It's not really a spring. It's more of like a, I don't know, like a jump pad. It used to be like a. It used to look like a spring. Like the original version. Like a screw, yeah, kind of like a screw. Oh, yeah. You're right about that. I think we're gonna. Do I have a subreddit? So yeah. I mean, the subreddit that I do have, I do have r/memory, but I also have r/solo development. That's like my biggest subreddit. That was made. So Reddit solo development. This is like our subreddit. We made. I made this like simultaneously while working on memory. We just hit 10,000 members, which is kind of cool. But honestly, it used to be like us trying to share information with each other, but now it's kind of just like a promo subreddit. Like everyone just shares their game, but I think it's still pretty cool. The Discord is also really nice. Like I think the Discord is more personal because we actually like, you know, have conversations and help each other. Oh, you're getting a mic for Christmas, so can you tell me... Oh, my mic is like a cheap Like I think my mic is like $30. Actually, I wish I can get a better mic because I have to bring it really close to my mouth for you guys to hear me. If I'm like right here, or like if I talk at a normal voice, you guys can barely hear me. But yeah, we'll manage for now. I'm pretty sure Yeti and Snowball, like I've heard of those brands before, and I'm sure they're really good. So yeah, I'm actually so happy with this teleporter. Yeah, we do need some fixes, but with time. My the guy who the artist I'm working with, Sparky, he's currently working on an animation for the player. Here, wait, let me just make sure. I'm so like nervous about sharing my screen all the time. I feel like I have nothing to hide, but you never know. Oh, you guys can't see it. Here's like the idle animation. I think we'll need some fixes for it too. All right. All right. So what did we finish? We finished the portal. We added the new spring. I think that was all I wanted to do today. I do want to finish the level design for our zip line, but I think I might save that for tomorrow. I'm still a little tired today. I hung out with some friends yesterday, and we drank a bunch, so I'm still a little hungover. Let's look at our world. Do I make money from this? No, I do not make any money from this. I've received donations and stuff, but yeah. I don't make I wouldn't say I make money from this. But yeah, that's the plan with the Kickstarter, right? And actually releasing the game. The issue I have with getting donations though is that I don't know, it feels weird accepting donations. Like I'd rather make money from, the thing I make, not from people, I don't know, liking me or something. Or like sympathizing. Not sympathizing, but just because just because I'm not making money from this doesn't mean I won't make money from this, and it also doesn't mean there's nothing I'd rather be doing, I know this kind of stuff takes a long time to produce a game. Yeah, I'm making live streams, but the live streams are, they're fun, and it's I enjoy the live streams. Honestly, I feel like it makes me work harder while on stream. I feel like if I was working on this game alone, I would work on one thing and I'd be like, all right, I'm done. Let me take a break. But whereas with the live stream, I always feel like, all right, we finished one mechanic, let's get on to the next one. It makes making the game fun. Let's try, since I don't feel like doing any programming today or level design today, let's try just messing around with these springs here. I'm gonna try making it 14 by 14 or maybe even 12 by 12. Let's go to configure grid. And yeah, let's just try deleting this. This is I assume that's whoa, wind. These little pixels right here, I think maybe that should be white. It's only almost 6 p.m. and it's already dark out. Damn. I know. Yeah, I know the struggle. I mean, yeah, it's been getting dark here lately too. You know, usually I feel like you get like seasonal depression. You know, when it gets dark and cold out. But lately, I feel like I've been happier. In the like, I feel like I was in a dark time during the summer. And now that it's getting colder, I don't know, I feel like it's like, hey, it's a new season. It's time to change things up a bit. Let's try this. Oops. If you're bored of making games, play your games, yeah. I would love to. I mean, the original game that got me into game dev, I think, was RuneScape. Or, like, I loved the idea of creating my own RuneScape. That never happened, but I always thought, like, hey, if I made my own version of RuneScape, I would play that game all the time. I feel like white is too much. Let's try gray. Into cubing? What's cubing? Yeah, I'm the same way, British. I like, you know, when it's hot, it's like there's no way to get colder, but at least, you know, you can always put on more layers. I wonder if we should switch these two. Or maybe add more frames. What is this? 6, 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7 frames here. Maybe we can make everything 12 frames and, you know, everything would be consistent. Let's try it. Oops. Oh, Rubik's Cube. No, I've never. I remember trying. I remember going to like a birthday shower and they had a Rubik's Cube and I like YouTubed how to fix it, or I mean like how to solve it. And I was really close. And then there was like this little kid there, and she kept wanting to grab it. After I was like almost done solving it, she kept trying to grab it and like she would mess it up, and then I would have to start over. And eventually I just gave up. So let's see. We'd want our default size to, I think we'd want our default size to fit inside of this little section here. I think maybe we can actually make it smaller. So we'll try starting out with this one here. So let's bring this out. Just a warning, I'm not a pixel artist, I'm not an artist, so we're gonna struggle a bit, but yeah, the artist already made, like, he already made the, you know, the layout of everything. So I just need to, oops, let's make this little section back here pink or something, magenta. Oops. There we go. Oh damn. I mean, yeah, I've seen those videos. People are insane with it. Okay. This will go here, and then we'll transition to it becoming bigger. Something like that. Oh, why is this? Oh, What's with the pink background? The pink background is only there for me to, like, if I don't have it, it looks like this. It's kind of hard to see. Like, this gray looks very similar to the transparent background. So I guess we can go from this one to this one. Let me just see. We're going up each time by 3 pixels. 1, 2, 3. This is 4. If we have 12 frames, we could probably like manage with like increasing this or decrease. Oh. Maybe removing that. Oh wait. You did a 2-hour stream of Terraria. Nice. How was it? I actually don't follow you, Agwu. Let me do that right now. I'm also barely ever on YouTube. Usually I only find out if people are streaming if I see them streaming on Discord. Alright, I sub. Why is streaming so tiring? It can be tiring. I mean, because you're doing two things. You're like, one, you're like concerned with what people think about you. Maybe. I mean, I feel like that's maybe how I felt when I first started streaming. Also, like, if there's like a lot of people watching your stream, it could also be tiring because you're like trying to respond to everyone, or like sometimes people are mean while you're streaming too. You have to manage with that. So I think I'm pretty used to it now. Like, if someone's trolling or something like that, but sometimes you get caught off guard. So yeah, this is 2 tile. Maybe we could keep it like this. Like, it's already so tall. Never streamed for some reason. Last time I uploaded a YouTube video was 2 years ago because I have no ideas. I think streaming is a lot easier, personally, than making, like, I've tried making YouTube. That's actually one of the reasons why I named myself Practical NPC, was because I wanted to be like a, like a YouTuber who was like, hey, I'm an NPC. I wanted to have like a personality of like kind of being like monotone, and like just giving you useful information, but that never happened. Now we just do streaming, and now I'm a monotone streamer. Let me see. So usually these gaps are 2 pixels. I guess we could like bring it in if this is our max height here. Do you think it would be good if I start streaming game dev? Yeah, for sure. Yeah, it usually happens. I used to stream on Reddit a bunch, and Reddit was really cool because like how their algorithm worked was crazy. Like, if you were just popular by like, if you had like 16 viewers, sometimes they would bump you up, and because there weren't too many streamers on Reddit, you would get like on the top page really fast. So at a certain point, like for each of my live streams, I was getting like 500,000 views. It was so cool. Like I was talking to like, it's weird because I don't know how many of these people are like bots and stuff, but I remember there were like 20,000 people watching me simultaneously. Or it showed that there were 20,000 people watching, and yeah, like the chat never ends. It's like, it's a little overwhelming. But yeah, you'll get like, there's always going to be a few people that are like assholes, and yeah, I've gotten DMs of people being mean, stuff like that, you know. But yeah, you get used to it. So yeah, so far we've been doing 3 pixels, a 3 pixel difference every time. So let me try. What is this? So I guess we'll bring this down 1. This is. Oh, we never played this one. This one should be. What is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 12. Hopefully, we might have to delete like a frame or two. My best impression of an NPC. I am an NPC, dude. This is my, and you know, you're already talking to the NPC. But I guess my generic, I don't even, I'm so bad at impressions, but what's this? Have you ever seen like those Oblivion memes where it's like, hey there, I can't even do it. The Skyrim needs something, and then they like start walking into the wall or something. Yeah, that was my original plan with this channel, like talking like an NPC, but that would require like acting and stuff. I'm not an actor. Let me see here. Let's actually delete that. I feel like this is so inconsistent here. This is, oh, okay, 3. Right now we've been doing 3. This is 3, this is 2, but we're already halfway through. So I would have to make like a transition from here to here, and then basically, I guess we can try just flipping this over and see what happens. Oh wait, there's supposed to be like a bouncy effect too. I completely ignored that. Like it should go up and then down like on these last few frames. So maybe we'll fix these 2 right here, or maybe these middle 4 will have the bounce effect. Do I use a controller plugin or normal input? Yeah, I just use normal input. Like if you press what is it? If you press X on your keyboard, if you press B, it's the same exact input. B on your controller, it's the same input. Flip this. Alright, so this is kind of what we want, but yeah, maybe these middle 4 are going to have like a bounce in them. Or no, these middle 4. So let's look at the original one. Oh, wait a second. This is 7 frames. So it's an odd number. But I mean, we are doubling it, so maybe what we'll do is we'll put this one in the center, and then we'll have these on the... on the end here. Oops. And so it does go up, but it doesn't go all the way up. I guess we start transitioning over. So maybe we'll grab maybe we can just grab this one. Oops. Probably get rid of these. And finally, we'll leave it. I guess maybe we'll go back to this one. I'll see you, Agwu. How long did I stream on Reddit to get 500k? Oh, sorry, Agwu. Sorry for not replying, but we'll answer for anyone who is interested. Let me see. What's not so nice about streaming on Reddit is, whoa, why are like half of my videos removed? You're bound to like a mobile resolution. That was like the only thing that sucked about RPAN. But yeah, you can see I streamed for a while on Reddit before I switched over to YouTube. So definitely over a year. I was programmed by Google. Does this mean my wake up word is okay, Jacob? Yeah, maybe. Or if someone says that to me in person, maybe I like guns come out of my shoulders or something. Yeah, I think this is close to where I started. Yeah, this is when I had long hair too. You can see my room is basically the same. Oh yeah, we're getting close to where I started. Almost 2 years ago. How long have I been making games? Yeah, I'll check Discord. Give me 1 second. Oh, it looks pretty good, Ben. Thanks, Waffle. I need to figure out how to like automatically add thumbnails. Well, thanks, British. So yeah, I guess we'll try this out. There's like this motion blur happening here, so maybe we should. At this point, there shouldn't be any motion blur, and I think there is actually one. I guess it's this one that has like that slight motion blur. But yeah, at this point, I feel like maybe we don't need the motion blur. Or if we do, we'd want to copy it over from this one here. Let me see. Yeah, we'll try something like that. What is the meaning of life if you respawn? So are you asking what's the meaning of life life if you're just going to, if there's reincarnation, basically? I would say my personal life experiences have told me that, it's just, enjoy your life, go with the flow, follow what's like, in your nature. So like, if humans are meant to expand or like, travel to other planets, then yeah, we should keep doing that. So we have this, we'll call the spring sprite sheet 1. Yeah, the text is made like it's hand drawn, so it'd be hard to like replicate it. All right, so let's go into our spring here. We'll try out this new anime. Oh, wait. Yeah, we can just delete this. Oh, not this one. Yeah, it looks pretty good. I like it. It matches, honestly, it's very close. Did you draw that, or there's like or you used a font found online? Hey, how's it going, Ichachi? Welcome. I see. It looks pretty good. Alright, so this is 12 FPS. We might have to increase this to like 24 since it's a pretty fast animation. Let's see. Well, that looked weird. Yeah, as you can see, I'm not an animator. I don't even know why I tried. Let's see. Wait. I didn't update the animation. Well, Sparky did. The artist who I'm working with. This is what they made, but I wanted to add more to it, or I wanted the starting animation or the starting sprite to look like this. And then we kind of like progress towards like growing a bit. But right now, I think this is just too much. You could make hand-drawn fonts into SVG images. That would make it significantly easier. Yeah, maybe I'll ask the guy who I commissioned if he could make like an entire font for me. But yeah, it would take like I think that'd be kind of expensive. Maybe after the Kickstarter. Yeah, Sparky is getting paid. I feel like that's something that should be kept personal. I mean, I don't know. Maybe I'm being weird about it. A paycheck, like a per work thing or a hourly. Do I have two monitors? Yeah. You might see that I'm like staring at I'm staring at this direction whenever I'm looking at you guys, or when I'm looking at the chat. Want to draw smooth? What are smooth fonts? Oh, and reincarnation is a nice thing to think about. It's a lot better than thinking, oh, you go to hell, or the thing is, like I've read like the Bible, and I've read a decent amount of like different religions, like Christianity. I've read the Quran a bit. I haven't read anything like related to Hinduism, but like I've had Hindu friends and stuff like that, and like what they say, like all of these religions, they all say like you can analyze them and make your own little like you can make sense of all of them, and from me making sense of all of these religions, they kind of all say the same thing. Even though in Christianity they say you're going to heaven or hell, you can compare that to reincarnation, and if you're bad, going to hell would mean you would reincarnate into a world where you've created a personal hell for. So, like, if you killed someone while you were alive as one person, you would reincarnate as the person you killed, and you've just created a hell for them, and you've created a hell for their family, stuff like that. That's how I see it. I do believe in reincarnation, but I also I do like the stories of like the Bible and stuff. And I guess you could say I'm agnostic. But I do see, I can make sense of all of these religions and say, oh, yeah, this kind of makes sense, Not that it makes sense, but I could make sense of it. Oh, like vector graphics smooth, I see. Yeah, we'll have to figure that out. I know nothing about vector graphics. Like I said, with the pixel art, with the fonts, everything is not done by me. Let's try bringing this down one. We might just stick with the original because I can't animate. Let's try this over at... let's just see what it looks like again. And maybe we'll leave it at 12 FPS. Oh yeah, you can tell it looks weird. Wait, Poetry Flynn. Who is that? Just want to make sure. Maybe that's, is that British Geek guy? Let's try 16 FPS, and we'll actually just put ourselves in a room to see. Oh, glad you played the demo. Oh, okay, Sentient Slave. Oh, okay, yeah. Hey, fish. Oh yeah. Your name did sound familiar. Yeah, so we're not doing much programming today. We're kind of just messing around. I've been just replying to the chat mostly, and making an attempt to update these sprites. Let's leave this back at 0, and it's not going to loop. We'll just run the scene, see what it looks like. I apologize if I missed anyone's messages. What happened here? Export teleport node. What the hell? Oh no, yeah. That's what we wanted. Did we like duplicate a scene or something? Oh no. I wish I knew which scene this was coming from. Well, it might be in room 95 or 93 since this is where we are. Let's see. The artist is hella good. How much did they charge me for the thumbnail? So he actually gave me a pretty good deal on it. I think he usually charges me double, or he usually charges his clients double of what he charged me. But yeah, he really liked the project, so he like gave me a discount. I think in total, I think the original payment was like $100, but I've asked for I paid him extra for adjustments that needed to be made. But yeah, he was really cool. You realize most of them, most of their core tenets are largely based on evolving interpretation. Yeah, I mean, I guess with Christianity, they always said hey, being gay is bad because you needed to, what is it, we needed to reproduce, or I guess maybe jerking off is bad because maybe it reduces your drive to try to reproduce with someone, or maybe with Islam. I don't want to sound sexist or anything like that. I'm pretty supportive of equal rights and all of that, but I guess maybe with Islam it was women should be protected, so they focused on giving them the, I forget, what are they called, hijabs? I don't know. Yeah, they gave them the hijabs, or covering their whole body, stuff like that. So yeah, we're crashing for some reason. It's saying because our export teleporter doesn't exist. So usually that means that there's like an extra portal somewhere. Here, wait. Is he on Fiverr? I don't remember. I found him on Reddit. I could send you his link if you're interested. Here, I'll give you his. Let me see if I can find his art station. I'll send them a DM. Hey, how's it going, Jose? I'm personally an atheist because I do not personally believe in a creator, and also I do not particularly want to believe I would burn in hell for my choices. Yeah, I mean, I used to be. I don't want to say I'm atheist because I just don't know. Like I'm not even sure if I believe in a god, but I do think that we have something to benefit from just like looking at religion. Like I'm agnostic, but like I like humoring like simulation theory. But like the thing is, you can look at simulation theory and compare it to religion, like compare it to Christianity, and be like, oh, there are some overlapping ideas. Or you can compare it to Buddhism and compare simulation theory to reincarnation, like that kind of stuff. It's kind of cool to see the similarities and be like, oh, hey, some of these people are like possibly they possibly have the right idea, but because they were born during earlier stages of human history, they just got a few things wrong. So let's see. And what did we do here? Export teleporter node. I wish we knew where we could just like delete all of our rooms. Here, let's just go into world demo. And I'm gonna duplicate this room really quick. And we're just going to delete all of these rooms for now. Or I'll delete all but one, and hopefully that's all we have to do. There we go. Oh, so yeah, it is one of our rooms that are just messed up. So let me try Control-Zing. Oops. We'll keep that one in there. We'll run it, see if something happens. Maybe we just deleted one of the connections. Do I speak Spanish? Hablas un poco por soy español. I'm part Spanish, but I don't know too much Spanish. I can understand it a bit, but not enough to have a conversation with someone. I took it for like freaking 4 years in high school, and I still don't know enough. Okay, yeah, so it was this final room. I guess maybe we removed something here. Let me see. This connects to something. This connects to this. This connects to... Oh, it should connect to this room here. Let me see something. All right, we'll just try recreating this connection. So this one's connecting to node 21. This one connects to node 13. And this connects to node 22. Seems like it shouldn't matter. I mean, that's what we had. So I wonder if there's like something hidden. Where's node 17? 17, 2, 9. Jerking off. I guess sometimes the how I speak sometimes translates onto the stream, like how I talk with my friends. You know what I mean? I try to be as I don't know, maybe PG-13 or like as nice as possible. But yeah, I guess sometimes some of that will slip through. Please show how my room switches work. Yeah, give me 1 second. Honestly, it's fine for you to remake the server. I think I'll remake it eventually. I'm just pretty lazy. But yeah, I don't want to ask for too much from someone. What is this? Invalid export teleporter node on null instance. You know what? Did we like remove? You know what? Let's just delete all of these and we'll remake it. For now, let's just... Oops. Let's just make sure it doesn't crash. So we're still getting it to crash in this room, I believe. Oh, wait. Let's try that one more time. How are y'all so old? Yeah, I'm actually wondering why you guys are so young. I don't think I'm that old. At least not yet. So yeah, I have no idea why this is happening. Let's look at world demo one more time. It might have been just that we just deleted something and now it's like... I might just recreate that room. Let's run it again. There we go. Realistically, everyone is old. It's only a matter of time before. Yeah, time is all relative, you know. Like we feel like it's been our lifetimes have been ages, but it's happening pretty quickly. I can remember when it was like my 10th birthday, and now I'm 24. You know. So yeah, you can see the spring does look a little weird, or the whatever you want to call it, a jump pad. You thought I was nice? Yeah, I do. I look very young, I know. Yep, I am 24. Do I have a logo for memory? I mean, the logo or the icon for memory is the same as like the main image that I sent you. It's just like a I don't know, like a 256 by 256 image of it, like just the head. Or like if you look at my player or my YouTube. Did I do work on the springs? Yeah, I did. Well, I didn't do it. Sparky did, but I'm like trying to edit it a bit. Not successfully, but yeah, we're trying to make it work. It looks a little weird right now. That'll change with time. You need a better icon. Alright, thanks, Steph. Yeah, I wonder what was causing us to crash in this room here. Maybe we have another. There has to be like another object somewhere there. What was that room called? 93. Let's try adding it to the game again. You know what? Wait. Oh, someone asked how the room switches work. I will show that in just a second. I'm just wondering why we're crashing in this room. Alright, so how the room switchers work is, I mean, all the room switchers do is send us send a signal to show like, hey, this is our current scene, and it records it in the level manager, and it also sets the boundaries for our camera. It's a little messy. I actually don't even remember how I do it. Let me see. The portal looks nice. Yeah, I agree, Chev. I'm actually I think there are some minor adjustments that need to be made, but I really like the way it looks now. And there's there's a visual cue to show which one you're coming out from. It's nice. I'm probably way older than most people watching my stream. I don't know. Maybe. Let me make some tea. I'll be right back, fellas. I'm gonna use the bathroom. I'm back. Guys, spam the chat. The physics of this game has a certain jank to it that makes it refreshing. If you push it too much, that could make it extremely frustrating. If you push it just right, you could turn it into Celeste. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. And do you mean like? So yeah, I'm trying to make the physics very satisfying. Like obviously, it's not supposed to be super realistic, and like I've added. Like there are some delays in the physics because I want to make the game easier. So like, you know, right after you dash, you're actually held. Like it kind of does look janky, but I'm hoping what I could do from that is like if I add an animation to that delay, like right now you just pause and like you're stuck in that animation. But I'm hoping if I add like a transition animation, it won't look too bad. You know, it's funny that you say it looks like a more relaxing version of Celeste because I feel like I'm making it too hard compared to Celeste. What's my day job? So I guess you could say I'm technically unemployed. I do usually freelance work when I need the money, and I also do food delivery. Like if you've heard of Uber Eats, yeah, I do food delivery with Uber Eats on like a bike. The GUI is off screen. Oh, look at that. Wait, what? Is it off screen? What are you talking about? Oh, on YouTube. I see. Okay. Yeah, it's fine on my screen. It's fine on. It looks like it's fine on OBS too, but I guess maybe YouTube. It's a little messed up. All right, Dev Waffle. Well, if you have to leave, no worries. We can't see your camera and chat. What? Oh, okay. That's what you mean. Okay, yeah. Let's do that right now. You know, actually, I purposefully don't leave my camera while I'm playing the game because, like, it gives me a moment to, like, you know, if I have to like pick my nose, I don't want to do it on stream. So yeah, whenever I switch to scene 2, it's like gives me a break. But yeah, I'll add the chat to scene to this scene. Give me 1 second. I thought you were talking about the game's GUI. This one right here. There we go. Should I throw this? Whoops. All right, there we go. Have I tried working with neural networks? No. I mean, you mean like GPT-3 or something like that? So, what were we trying to do? Room 93. Let's try putting this back into world demo. Jobs don't actually exist. We kind of pretend we do. Yeah, it's like for me, I mean, there are certain jobs that will exist for like a long while. So like, I feel like most finance jobs could easily be outsourced to AI. And maybe even a lot of programmer jobs or like web development jobs can be outsourced. And I feel like one of my fears is that eventually we won't even need game devs. But one type of work that I think we'll always need, at least for a long while, is like blue collar work, like a plumber or a mover, carpenter, stuff like that. I feel like we're gonna need that for a while. So if you want, a job that guarantees that you'll stay employed, definitely feel like blue collar work is the way to go. All right, yeah. So it was just something wrong with our teleporters. I don't know what I did, but we'll add them back. Oh, and is the person who asked me about the room switchers still here? If you are here, I will show you. I completely forgot. My neck looks damaged from sitting too long. I feel like my neck. Yeah, maybe I should work on my posture, but I do like. See that? I'm tired of watching my stream. Alright, there we go. It shouldn't crash anymore. We went from here to here, I believe. I mean, we could make it go anywhere. I think, yeah, we did. So connect this to 5. This goes here. Then 2 to 3. Is this 3? And then 4 to 6. Alright, that should be it. The problem with trade jobs is that they become outdated when their medium becomes outdated. Once we start upgrading our materials to self-healing biomaterials, all of those jobs will disappear. So is that something that's going to happen in the near future? Self-healing biomaterials, like having a roofer or solar panel or yeah, I mean things. I feel like mechanical things always break. or like, I know our cars are getting more complicated, and I think now, like for example with Tesla, even though there's a lot of mechanical issues with Tesla, you can only get your repairs done at a Tesla dealership or something like that, or that ruins your warranty. Or like even with Apple, they require that you only work with them if you want to keep your warranty. But yeah, like I have a friend who he moves furniture for a living. And I feel like that job's gonna last for a long time because people always need movers, or people are always moving. Hugely a commonplace. Yeah, that might be. I could see it definitely becoming a thing. I guess I'm just more concerned about myself in terms of like, in the digital world, a lot of jobs can start getting replaced. Like, they already have like AI generated art. Most articles that you see online are like written with AI. What else? I mean, GPT-3 is like in the beginning stages of like writing functions for you or writing entire programs for you. Like how long before they can write entire complicated programs in like a split second, and then then a bunch of programmers are going to lose their jobs. I feel like a lot of people who work in front of a computer are going to lose their jobs before the people in front of, or the people that do blue collar work are going to lose their jobs. That's just my opinion, and that's like my fear. I mean, game dev is like more of an art style than actual programming. I mean, there's a lot of programming in game dev, but it's more about like just being creative with the things that you make. Okay, yeah. I'll try to update these springs a bit. You actually see a future where we're satisfied with our technology? I think the only way we would be satisfied is if we were to guarantee immortality. Immortality, and not even immortality, but like this is kind of why I like simulation theory, because it's like there's only one thing that would prevent us from losing like our consciousness, and that's being able to put ourselves in like in another dimension. Because like even if we're immortal here, or like we can prevent disease and aging, eventually the sun will explode, or eventually I don't know, dark black holes will like consume some of our planets and stuff like that. So it's like we won't be immortal forever unless we were able to like create something that can either like reset our existence or put us in another dimension. That's how I see it. I once tried to look up an issue I had just to find out that a web scraper that makes articles had literally copied one from Reddit questions. Yeah, so that's what they do. Oh, it was one of your Reddit questions. That's pretty funny. Yeah, so what they do now is, I mean, they use GPT-3 to like rewrite articles. I can even show you how it's done. It's most most AI written articles usually they work in the form of question and answer. So like their H1 will be the main question. So like I don't know how to become a game dev or something like that, and then it's like all the H2s are different questions. So it's like I don't know, do I need a college degree to become a game dev? And then yeah, GPT-3 will just write some random stuff about whether or not you need a college degree to become a game dev. And it's usually like common sense answers, or just it's not really common sense. It's like just answers that are scraped from what pops up in the top results of what become do you need a college degree to become a game dev, and then they just rewrite those top answers. Because if it's in the top results of Google, that means that's the type of answer Google wants. So you just have to rewrite that. And now basically all of these articles that are aiming to get to the top results of Google, it's called SEO, so it's like search engine optimization. It's not a matter of being right or wrong, because like every answer is right. It's a matter of whether or not your website is most optimized for answering people's question on Google. Wait, I want to ask, did you not know how to change the thumbnail on your live stream? So I do know how to I know how to change the live stream thumbnail. I don't know how to do it automatically, because I don't want, like, I stream every day or almost every day, and it'd be annoying. Like, all I do to start a stream is click the start stream button, and then it automatically gets uploaded to my page once it's done. But I don't want to do that. I want it to be automatic. Or like to set the thumbnail, I would have to go back and edit the video. Unless there's an option on Google, or I mean on YouTube, to fix that. Oh yeah, I mean, it's on the bottom, it's on the top. It's literally like, I mean, everyone is doing it now. So there's going to be the top dogs who are using AI to generate their content, and there's also going to be the underdogs that are also doing it. Oh, once I said it once. All right, I'll look into it after the stream. Does Google use AI to generate results? So how Google, yeah, it's not fully known how Google determines whether your content is good enough for an answer. What they usually do is there's something called your website has authority. So here, I can actually show you guys. Let me give me 1 second. I can show you a little bit. Like I studied a little bit of SEO. That's what I wanted to do for a little while. Like I wanted to do game dev, but also I wanted to do like SEO/freelance web development work to actually make money, because game dev doesn't make you any money. So yeah, there's this website called Ahrefs, but you can look up backlink checker. So you can basically look up what a website, how much authority a website has. So let's look up let's look up itch.io. And basically what this does is it determines how many backlinks your website has. Give me 1 second. Alright, so you'll see that it's usually it's a scale from 0 to 1. 91 is obviously really good. You can see how many backlinks they have, which is a lot, and they're referring domains. And 77% of them are do follow, which is pretty good. So they have so many backlinks, which Google, Google scrapes, or I mean, they crawl through all of these websites, and they're seeing, oh, there's so many websites linking towards itch.io. And I don't pay for this, but if you paid for this, you would see what the backlink, what is it, like the anchor text or whatever says. And they would they would read all of this, and they would be like, oh, itch.io is related to game dev. and then you can go on itch.io and you'd see, whoa, what is all of this? I mean, if Google scraped this website, they would probably notice that it's like game dev related. A lot of people have blogs. Like usually what you do is you have blogs set up, and that's what helps increase your SEO rating. So I don't know, like if we look up I don't know, like game dev or something, I don't know, game dev website, gamedev.net, you might notice, let's see if they have like a blog, and I'm sure a lot of people, yeah, you can see here they have a blog. I don't know what the hell this is. I mean, it's like generic stuff, like 10 tips for a game designer, you know, and a lot of this kind of stuff is AI. I don't know if this might not be AI generated, because gamedev.net is like a huge, I mean, I'm sure they make a lot of money where they don't have to AI generate stuff, but, you know, the underdogs of like people who are in a similar niche will probably outsource it to AI. And as long as it's good enough and Google can't, you know, like validate it, or validate that it's not validate, yeah, if they can't validate that it's human made, they'll just put it up. As long as it's giving useful information, I don't see why Google would have a problem with AI generated content, as long as it's like, you know, coherent and everything like that. Check YouTube. Can you like send DMs on YouTube or something? You use DuckDuckGo. Yeah, DuckDuckGo is pretty good. DuckDuckGo plus Firefox. I used to use DuckDuckGo when I was like really into like my privacy and stuff. But honestly, even though Google has some like sus things going on, it's just so convenient. Like their engine is pretty good. Oh, check YouTube. Oh, YouTube's gonna be way up there. I mean, Google owns YouTube. I'm an NPC. I don't know if I could answer this. It's too much. It's too powerful. You might switch to DuckDuckGo plus ungoogled Chromium. Like, what's been pretty popular lately? What's been rising up? A lot of people are using Brave. Brave is pretty good. Oh wow! Microsoft bought DuckDuckGo. That's crazy. Yeah, I don't know why it's not loading, but YouTube is probably way up there. But we could look up, like, let me see. Let's try this one more time. Yeah, I don't know what's going on here. Firefox is pretty good. No, Brave is not good. What's wrong with Brave? Brave is Chromium. It's basically like the same thing. Brave has 22 billion backlinks and ratings is 99. Yeah. I mean, it doesn't really matter what their rank is, because Google is literally like the owner, so they're gonna determine whether or not it ranks or not. But yeah, That was a little, I guess, SEO lesson there. Oh my god. I think it's okay to say Jews. But that is a weird question. But hey, British Geek Guy, where did you look that up? Did you look that up on DuckDuckGo, or did you look that up on Google? Because I feel like that's the issue with DuckDuckGo, is that sometimes their crawlers are like weird, or like how they rank websites are sometimes weird. They have their crap search engine. What is that, Bing? Yeah, it's not biased. That's true. So did we have anything planned for the rest of this stream? I feel like I've just been talking to you guys, not really doing any game dev. I do want to fix our springs here, so maybe I'll try one more time to animate that. Let's get our display capture going again. All right, let's see what we can do here. Oh my goodness. That's crazy. Maybe it's been getting popular since, what's his name? Kanye has been going crazy about that kind of stuff. So if we're doing 14, what is this for? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 frames. Alright, well, we'll just mess around with it, see what we can do. Was it 16 by 16 that we're doing, or 16 by 24? So yeah, we'll grab this one for sure. And I think we're just going to increase every single one by 1 pixel, and at the center, or maybe 2 pixels. I think 2 pixels. So let's grab this. Oh my god. Yeah, you would get that kind of stuff on Google, you know what I mean? I guess it is unbiased. I guess I am all up for free speech, but still. like I'm up for free speech, but at the same time, like, where do you draw the line? This is 2 pixels. Wait, we said 2 pixels, right? This is 2. How do we want to do this? I guess we'll leave it like that. I'm gonna try getting rid of these little sections right here because I think it's slightly distracting. And this is way too high. Let me see. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I think we'll go up one more. Maybe not. Maybe we'll leave it the way it is. When did we start this one? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so we did start right here. And yeah, we did want it to be smaller, so yeah, let's try just bringing it down a bit. Oh no. Hopefully DuckDuckGo doesn't crawl this stream, and now I'm associated with neo-Nazis. This looks odd. I think maybe we gotta do like that. Run my IP through a geolocator and see if they actually. They usually see my. I mean, yeah. If I look up my IP or if I look up my location, they usually get my area correct. I'm usually, well, not usually. Sometimes I'm on a VPN. Right now we're on a VPN actually. Oh, I see. So let's see if this. I have a feeling this won't work, but we gotta try. So it bounces between these two, and then it goes back down to this. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 4. Let's try bringing this down here. Maybe keeping this here. Wait, actually. According to a geolocator, you live in the center of London. So I guess, yeah, that's maybe where their servers are. I don't know. I don't know how they come to determine that. So yeah, now the animation is a little bit more subtle. It still might look a little weird. And I think right now we flip these tiles. What I'm going to try to do is actually just bring this over here. And export it. Let's see how this looks. Is it possible to create a Pokemon Go like game in Godot? I've never seen what is it like using your location on Godot. I don't know how well it integrates with it. So yeah, I think this looks better. I think we do want to increase the frame rate just a bit. Oh my god. What's interesting about fascism is that most are ultra-nationalist because they literally believe their culture is the best or should be protected. However, intellectual fascism is rather different. I don't know what intellectual fascism is. It tends to be, intellectual fascism tends to be culturally agnostic and believes it's the natural way of state to do something. I see. So that seems like just using logic and reasoning, right? As your guide. Or wait, maybe I'm misunderstanding something. I think we need to fix these animations a bit. Do that next. What programs do I use for game dev? Mostly Godot, and yeah, I use GIMP to edit images and stuff. I also use Audacity to edit sounds. But yeah, most of my stuff gets I usually pay for assets and stuff. I don't do much editing of my own or creating stuff of my own. Just the programming and animations, or like working with the animations. Alright, so this is 16 FPS right now. Let me try. We'll try 24. Oh yeah, we have to fix the. Currently, there's like this. Our raycast is on the player's head, so you could like technically collide with the ceiling there. We'll fix that eventually. I feel like a little slow today. Yeah, that doesn't look too bad. Yeah, the word fascist probably just has like a huge, negative connotation. I follow Stoicism, and usually the way they approach things is just to, as long as you're using logic and reasoning, if you think you're making the most logical decision, then that's the way to approach it, and also follow like your true nature, like your human nature, be one with nature and all that. What did we want to do? Oh yeah, we want to fix this right here. So what's weird is actually that this is 2 tiles high, and then here it's 3. I think we're going to fix that right now. Oh, maybe we'll leave this the way it is. We can leave this all white. Something like that. Hey, how's it going, Sass? How's my hangover? My hangover is all right. I noticed as we've been streaming, as I've been drinking more tea and stuff, I've been feeling better. Yeah. I'm not sure if this looks weird, but we might just keep it the way it is for now. I don't think we need this here. Why do I have a hangover? Because I was up all night, partying, going to raves and clubs. No, I'm kidding. There's like this small gathering that I went to last night. It was like a Halloween themed. It was like a murder mystery. It was like a 60s, 70s murder mystery thing that one of my friends' family was running. It's pretty cool. I think. Wait, let me see. Oh yeah, Halloween's tomorrow. So we might want to make the like right now. These two frames are the same. Might want to make it look a little more normal, but it also might be fine. So let's export it. Let's see what it looks like. Yeah, British Geek Guy, you made a big mistake. Yeah, it doesn't look bad. Now I think it looks too fast. Damn. I think we could technically reduce it to 16. Or, no, not 16, 18. Honestly, it doesn't matter too much about like the frame rate here. I think eventually we would want to keep it all consistent, but yeah, like it doesn't matter really. I keep forgetting I can't dash here. Yeah, we'll leave it like that. It does shift one frame. Does it? Oh yeah, you're right. What are you working on, Epic? Alright, so we've updated our springs, we've updated our teleporters. I think it's time to call it a stream. Yeah, let them to it. Dude, I really like the portals now. I can make a portal gun now, yeah. Totally. Alright. We got it to work. I think tomorrow we'll do my mic just fell out from the this little holder thing. But yeah, I think tomorrow we'll finish up with the level design and for the zip lines, and then yeah, the artist should be ready with some stuff by tomorrow. Alrighty, I'll see you guys. I feel like this stream has been the longest I've ever streamed for, and it's kind of surprising consider I've been like tired this whole time. What's it ever streamed for, and it's kind of whoa. Yeah, 3 hours and 30 minutes. Wow, that's crazy. All right, I'll see you guys. Peace. Dude, I wish we had more viewers on Twitch because I would love to raid people, but I feel weird only raiding with like me and someone else or British Geek Guy. And oh, it's British and Epic. I mean, if you guys want me to raid someone, I could. Alright, let's do it. Let's see. You guys didn't see my name. Oh yeah, you can see it in the window.
Well, here and chilling with me while I was doing this shit. Fuck off, bro. So the menu float effect, I guess.
Bro, this guy looks kind of pissed.
Fan of these songs.
Is he singing?
Here we go. That's better.
Oh yeah, he's alright. Let's rate this dude. Alright, I'll see you guys. Peace. Wait, I forgot how to raid. Alright. Bye-bye.
Alright, so let's go to the animations, do that up.
Alright, and I'll see you, my YouTube friends. Have a good one.